What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another lit video. Yeah, it's kind of bright outside, but today we're going to be doing the ISR long tube headers POV drive video, and also pretty much like show you guys how my car's running with all the maintenance I did. If you guys didn't watch the previous video, I pretty much did new gallery gaskets, oil pressure is lovely, spark plugs, water pump, thermostat, and like I said, the ISR long tube headers. So first things first, I'm gonna give you guys a sound test on pretty much a cold start. I haven't started this car for like 2 days. Yep, guys, it's pretty much how she sounds, man. So the ISR long tubes, pretty much, if you didn't know, it's pretty much headers and test pipes all into one. So it's just one pipe from the motor all the way down. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Let me pop the hood. All right, so here's how the motor's looking. Clean, man. Just a little dusty, no oil leaks, no none of that. But down there, let me see if I can get you guys right there. Pretty much the ISR long tubes. Can't really get a good shot because we're, you know, it's in a dark spot, man. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now so we can get some POV shots. I'm gonna drive around, show you guys how the car sounds now with the ISR long tubes, and also how she's reacting now with the all the maintenance done. All right, gotta go get some gas. Don't mind the check engine light, it's on because of my O2s for the ISR long tubes. I gotta clear that. So yeah, let me get some gas. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds with the windows up, just so y'all can see how it is when, you know, when you're cruising daily and whatever. And then I'm gonna put the windows down after I get gas. So yeah, here we go. Can't forget to turn traction control off. Time for the real shit without the fucking windows being up. honestly just a little deeper and a little bit more throaty. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was so used to my Megan test pipes being raspy that like these, I don't know, they're a little raspy but not crazy. But I love seeing this. Good oil pressure. This is 6th gear, you know, 6th gear cruising at 80. Don't worry, we're gonna do some pulls. And I'm gonna rev the car and shit so you guys can hear exactly how it is. I don't know if you guys can hear me with all this wind or not, to be honest. Let me put the windows up just a little bit, actually. It'll help out with the wind. Or window just go to fuck down again. There we go. Just ease into it, cruise into it so y'all can really hear it. I fucking love this car, man. She's running so good. I'm happy with the work, man. All right, here we go. 2nd gear, 40 roll. Fucking moving. Oh my god, bro, I need an outside shot. I'm not gonna lie, I need somebody to get me a flyby shot. She's moving out, man. Fuck is that, a gorilla? It's a trash bag. I'm gonna hit this U-turn. I'm gonna try to do a fucking first gear. But these bitches gonna spin. I can already tell them lighting them up. Let me get it 30. 1st gear 30. Fucking go, man. All right, we gotta get the fuck out of here. It just made the spot hot. Windows up again. Oh fuck, I had the AC on. Fuck, I wasn't getting all my horse puppies, man. Forgot about my AC. God damn it. I was pushing probably like 280 right there, man, with the AC on. God damn it. Without the AC, I put it like 400. Now let me stop. Probably pushing above like 300 wheel. man. Fucking AC. It's all right. Anyways, we just gonna cruise now. Got a little backfire action going on. Untuned. Do some sound tests now, some revs, you know, while the exhaust is hot. Maybe I can shoot a little, you know, baby flames or whatever. Yeah, man, I am happy. I'm content with the car, man. She is running good. Next step is going to be getting her, let me wind the windows back up so y'all can hear me. The next step is going to be getting her tuned, man. First things first, I got to get my valve cover gaskets done. The gaskets and the valve covers, because one side has oil in the spark plugs. If you guys didn't watch my previous videos, I talked about it. So I'm gonna do my valve covers, and then I gotta get a fuel pump, a 255 Walbro, and I got GTR injectors. I gotta find some, and then your boy's gonna be doing a 93 and E85 tune with the boy RS Enthalpy, aka Martin, the GOAT for anybody that's in Florida. Or if you're trying to do it over the, like, if you got a computer and you want to do it in another state and you want Martin to tune it, he also does that. So yeah, all those pulls we just did there, man, we was in Mexico City. And you know, when I get back to Florida, Martin's gonna tune the car. We're gonna do a 93 and E85 tune, like I said. See how much we push on the rollers, and enjoy the car from there. After that, it's time to do some mods for looks, you know, aesthetic, because I'm pretty much gonna chill with full bolt-on tune for now. I was gonna go boost, but I changed my mind, bro. It's too much money right now, and I really haven't got to enjoy the car with it being tuned and full bolt-on. So I want to really, you know, enjoy the car. Also, I got my wheels getting finished. So yeah, man, that's probably gonna be the first mod for looks. And then I got a special surprise. If you guys are OG and remember my old white Z, you guys will remember this part that I bought when I get it and I install it, man. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna take the car to a spot right now that I go and I pretty much, you know, do sound tests, rev clips, you know, little exhaust clips so you can hear it and you know, get a judgment on whether or not you want to go long tube headers, or if it's too loud for you, or, you know, you just don't have enough money. You know, I'm here to help the community. I'm not here to just show you guys what I'm doing to my car. I also want you guys to know if you want this part or not. Same thing with my exhaust video. I showed if you guys want a Tomei ISR Y pipe, that's how it sounds, how much it, you know, how much I spent. So yeah, guys, I'm here to pretty much help y'all build y'all cars as much as help me build myself. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but here we go. Here's some rev clips. This shit loud as fuck, man. I'm going to jail. Alright, and now I'm just gonna do a drive up and down the block so you guys can hear how it is from the outside. Just made it back to the crib. In conclusion to today's video, should you buy ISR long tube headers? This is my opinion personally. If you can get them for a steal and want to do the work for yourself, I think you should get them. Personally, me, I got them for a steal, and I had a shop that did them for a good deal. So, you know, I installed them. Plus, I already had them, and my Megan test pipes were fucking shitty, raspy. So I needed to change them, and I wasn't trying to buy another pair of test pipes since I had the long tubes. I was gonna buy new test pipes, sell the long tubes, and sell my Megans, but I was like, fuck it, let me just go full bolts on. So, in my opinion, if you don't have good test pipes, like if you have art pipes or some regular test pipes like AAM or holy shit, fucking army chopper, you see that shit? Anyways, welcome to Florida. If you don't have a lot of money to really think, because these, I'm not gonna lie, these long tubes are going for like 700 something now, so they are kind of pricey, and then the job is another like 700, 800 depending on where you live. I paid 400 for mine, and I paid 400 for install, so altogether I pretty much paid how much I would have paid if I just bought them. So yeah, should you get them? I think you should. You'll probably get good gains, probably put more power down, but for the money wise, I think you should just rock test pipes and go get tuned. I don't really think they're too much worth it. And if you don't really like a super loud car, which is my shit, or if you live in a state that has laws for that, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if you guys should get headers, because your car will be loud as shit. Cold start, whenever you're driving, bro, it's gonna be so loud. But like I said, it's everybody's opinion. I like it. I think it was worth it. My car's running way better. And also, should you change your gallery gaskets? Fuck yes. That is one of the most common failures to HRs and VHRs. Change your fucking gallery gaskets. Your car's gonna run 10 times better. It's gonna get way better oil pressure. Change your spark plugs. Change everything. Do your maintenance. Make sure your car is good. Treat your car good. Your car's gonna treat you good. That's how I pretty much look at things. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button, bro. Please slap that like button. I am risking driving like a fucking maniac for you guys, and yeah, bro, if I get any tickets, I'm fucked, man, and it's because I want to drop good content for you guys. So just slap that like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man, and stay on the journey of me changing and transforming this 350Z Nismo, man. And if you guys have nothing to do, just go watch some old videos, you know. Just check out the channel. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm about to go eat. I'm out. Peace.
Remember I was dead broke, I had to find a way. Watching face playing catch up, it was barely time to wait. It's hard to accept the love when you surrounded by the hate. Disrespecting my mother, I ain't had nowhere to stay, so I went and got my hustle on. Before I go make sure my money long.